these classes have been amazing because you realize how easy it is to cook actual healthy things that you have. Like you have an orange in your house and you have vinegar, and if you put it together you can make this amazing dressing. And it's just been so fun. And just kale, to understand that, you know, if you actually massage it, it changes the way it tastes. And it's just really fantastic, and I highly recommend anyone comes in and joins us. It's been really fun as well.
Has it changed the way that you feel, like physically or in any way?
Most definitely, because you learn that you can cook so quickly with such healthy ingredients. So when you're like tired and exhausted and you normally would just kind of go to the freezer or have like junk, actually that 10 minutes you can like literally put an entire meal together that nourishes you and feels so much better.
Okay, so you feel both mentally and physically better?
Drastically.
Okay, and would you recommend the NHS to fund these classes?
100%. I think not only will people learn, but it's actually really enjoyable. And when they get themselves involved and they actually make something, they realize how easy it is to do. So it's not the same as watching a video or seeing someone else do it. It's not Sunday morning breakfast, you're actually doing it and you realize how easy it is. And basic things like, you know, there's cutlery to mix things up, or there's gloves, and you realize put the rubber gloves on and mix up your food, and it's faster, easier, more fun, and you just get involved. So I highly recommend it.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.